You get your manual, charging cable, straps, and this is a 2-pack. You can use it as one hand warmer like this with the magnets on the back, or you can have them separate, which is nice. Shows the battery level. Press and hold to turn it on. You can set your level. Goes all the way up to 4. Press and hold to turn on. Now we want to actually show you guys a function here. So let's do that. Let's take a look here. Let's see, I wonder where it's going to heat up first. It feels like it's going to heat up right here first. So we're going to just show you guys here. So you can see it rapidly heats up. So it is a rapid heat unit. And as you guys can see, definitely warms up. Again, battery display shows you your percentage left. Very nice, guys.